Making Nigerian gala is no longer a mystery. You're going to be finding out all the tips, all the tricks, all the secrets in this video. Welcome back to my channel. We are using cold water. I am using 100 mils of cold water. Then I'm going to add in 1 medium to large sized eggs. If you have small size egg is okay, just mix it together and set aside. You're going to be finding out why I had to do that in this video. We are using 400 grams of flour. We are using 1 teaspoon of your baking powder and 150 grams of butter. I am not adding salt to this recipe because my butter is slightly salted, so for me I feel that is okay. I am adding in my egg and water mix. Mixing your egg into your water before adding it into your batter or your dough or whatever helps it dissolve into your dough easily without having to form little tiny bits of lumps. Now, for this your gala recipe, you are going to need, yes, you're not really going to knead as if you're kneading bread, but you can knead your dough a little bit in your bowl until it is really smooth for like 3 to 5 minutes. Wrap it and keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes or in your freezer for 15 minutes if you know you do not have time. Now we are using these sausages. I really do not like the sausages because the sausage I really wanted to buy wasn't the one I got. But if you can go to your local store and ask of the regular sausages for making gala, they will show you options. So go for the ones that are not this firm, the ones that are soft, that are easy to mix. That's the one I would prefer. So I had to blend this one with my spices. I use a little bit of peppers, a little bit of soya spice and any spice of your choice. I just blended it together to get my sausages to be of that consistency because it was getting very difficult for me to mash. I had to blend. So use the regular sausage you use for gala. Just go to your local store and ask, or your supermarket, and you'll be fine. I've taken my dough out of the fridge, so I'm just going to roll all of them at once. Yes, roll it at once. You can see how smooth your dough is looking. This is because of the kneading. And you can see how stretchy. This is because of the kneading. It is required for you to get that gala kind of look. Ghana has a smooth look and a little bit of crack, not like the regular meat pie look. So you have to go through this process to get that look. Now our dough is looking smooth and clean. We just cut around circles. Follow me closely at this point. This is where the secret is going to be spilled out. Yes, we're going to spill all the secrets. If it is your first time of stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen, do like and share. Thumbs up this video, comment, tell me what you think about this recipe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I do not take your subscription for granted. We will try our best to give you the best on Debbie's Kitchen. Now, you're going to pick one of your cut round circled dough and roll them like so. You can see how I did them. Trim the edges. You want to roll them to be as thin as possible. You don't want your gala to be heavy. You know gala is light. So you're going to roll them to be as thin as possible. Add in your filling or your mixed spiced sausages. When you're spicing your sausages, make sure you don't overdo it. I didn't even add salt. I didn't add any seasoning because most of these sausages, they already come in a little bit seasoned. So you don't want to do too much. Add your sausage at the beginning of your dough and roll like so. Roll gradually and make sure you roll them as firm as possible. Once you get to the edge, go on out to brush with egg wash. Very important. This will help your sausage seal, or just it will help it stick to your dough without it having to move around after baking. So this is it. So once I'm done rolling it, you can see how it looks. We're going to go for that to roll it on our surface. This is very important. It gives your sausage an even look. Spread help to further spread your sausage filling and give you that gala kind of shape. We're going to trim the sides and any of the excess dough, trim the sides just to give it a clean and a finished look. And you can see what we got at the end of the day. This is gala. Are you feeling the gala vibes? So now we're going to keep this in our pan after exhausting all our dough. Brush with more egg mix, just your egg mix. Break one egg, whisk it, the same egg you use in brushing the edge of your dough while rolling the remaining of the egg. Just use it to brush your gala. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. You don't want it to be too brown. Gala is not too brown. It's really slightly brown, don't you think so? And our gala is ready, guys. This is gala. This is the gala. It looks so good, guys. You can see how the inside looks. I was really careful while I was baking it. I didn't allow it to stay too long. You can see the top is smooth. It doesn't look so cracked, just like the gala touch. Thank you so much for stopping by Debbie's Kitchen. Now you can be trying out this recipe. Do like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next one. God bless you.